Thank you all for coming. There has been an unfortunate incident.
What happened,
Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to show you some pre-shoot Gabriella YouTube channel. We have a new tutorial for you can create professional animations.
Why is it so loud? Everyone's talking, but nobody's opening her all day.
Someone I passed today.
Welcome to another AI tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you how to make clean, neat, audible AI video generation. Now we're going to be starting with ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT to generate a story for me based on this idea I gave it. I told it to create an image prompt and a video prompt, and ChatGPT just did exactly what I told it to do for me. Okay, you just have to tell ChatGPT what you want, the type of story you want, be it an idea or just anything. Tell ChatGPT what you want, and to give you the image prompt, the video prompt. That's what I did here, and as you can see, ChatGPT did a very good work. They deleted the errors and everything, and the story came out interesting. Now we're going to be going to the app we're going to be using today, Qwen Studio. I talked about it in my former video. If you've not seen the video, do well to check it out. Once you open it, you sign in and you see that plus sign I highlighted, you tap on it. You're going to see this interface. Now you're going to creating the image first. So you're tapping on create image. It's going to open this interface for you. Now we're going to paste the image prompt that we got from ChatGPT. Okay, we select our aspect ratio, then we tap on generate, and immediately your image is going to start generating. It's just as easy as this. Just follow these simple steps that I just told you, and trust me, you're going to love the image. Very clean, nice image. Now look at the image. Once the image has been generated, just tap on that button down and save it into your phone. This is the image. Next, we're going to be creating the video. We're going to head back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to create a dialogue for the story that it gave us. It gave me the image prompt and video prompt before. Yes, there's a video prompt, but I want a dialogue. Okay, so I asked it to give me a dialogue, and it's this just that. Okay, now I copied the part I want for the particular video I want to create. Now I went back to the app, I tap on that same plus sign, I looked for create video, then this is it. I'll tap on the plus sign again, then this time I'll select the image I want to use to create the video. Okay, now this is the image is loading. You're going to see one white thing circling around the image. That shows that the image is loading. Once the image gets loaded, that white stuff that is circling around it, it will stop loading. You can see it has stopped loading now. Then I'll paste the dialogue. Okay, if you want to edit anything, in case maybe ChatGPT did a mistake or write something you don't like, you can edit it here. Like in this one, I wrote create this scene, finish. Then I tapped on generate, and immediately the video started generating. It will not take time as long as you have a very good network. Okay, once your video gets generated, you tap on the video, then you watch it, then that button that is down as always, you tap it to save it into your phone. It's just as easy as this. You get a very beautiful video, a very clear and audible sound. Now
Why is
let's
it so
listen.
loud? Everyone's talking, but nobody's opening their
Let's try out
tests.
another video. It's just the same process. Copy the dialogue in ChatGPT, come back to this app, tap on the plus sign, select the image, okay, allow it to load. Once the image is done loading, that white thing that is circling in the middle, it will stop. Then you paste your dialogue, the dialogue prompt you copied from ChatGPT. If there's anything you want to remove or add, you just do that. Then when you are done, you would generate your video, okay. It's just as easy and as simple as that. You just keep on repeating the same step till you've gotten the amount of videos you want. Then at the end of the day, you just joined all the videos together in ChatGPT and edit it into a beautiful long form video. There's no watermark here, so you don't even have any watermark issues. Now when your video is done generating, you tap on it to watch it, then there's one sign under there. You just tap on the download button.
Who are you?
Someone who's been listening to you all day.
I can read minds too.
So you just keep on repeating this whole process till you've gotten the amount of videos you want. Okay, it's just as easy as that. Just follow the same step. If you watch my last video, it's the same thing I explained. I just had to do it again in this video so you guys can understand the process very well. Now I've shown you how to generate images and videos with this app. Now let's try getting an image from ChatGPT or another app and see if we can use it to generate a video in this app. Now I went to ChatGPT and I gave it an idea. I told it to generate an image for me using that idea. Look at it. Okay, and it did generate the image for me. This is a very beautiful image. I just saved it into my gallery. This is the image, very clear. ChatGPT is also a very good image generator. Now, after I told ChatGPT to also give me an image prompt and a video prompt, I copied the video prompt and I went back to the app. Okay, tapped on plus button. I selected the image I generated from ChatGPT. I allowed it to load. When it finished loading, I pasted the video prompts I got from ChatGPT. Okay, I selected my aspect ratio. I did the editing I need to edit. I told you that sometimes ChatGPT may put some things you don't like. Okay, so all you have to do is just edit it out. Then I tapped on generated and the video started generating. This shows that you can also generate videos here with external images that you got from any other
Hi
sites.
everyone, today I'm excited to show you some pre-shoot with Gabriella YouTube channel. We have a new tutorial for you can create professional
Look how
animation.
clear and beautiful that video is. Now I went back to ChatGPT. I gave ChatGPT a story idea. I told it to generate another image for me. Yes, we're going to be trying it again. It generated an image. I told it to also give me a dialogue, a video prompt, an image prompt. So this is the image ChatGPT gave me. I saved it into my phone. Very realistic image to make your animations seem very, very deep, very realistic. Now, once I saved that, I went to the dialogue aspect. I copied the dialogue I want to use to generate my video. I went back to the app, tap on the plus sign, create video, tap on the plus sign, select the image I want to use to generate my video. I allowed it to load. While it was loading, I pasted the dialogue prompt I got from ChatGPT and I started editing it. Okay, once I was done editing, in fact, I took my time here to edit the dialogue because there were some things that ChatGPT said in the dialogue that I did not like, so I had to like edit them out to get. I had to edit it to my taste. I had to even arrange some parts again, okay, because it's my story, it's my video. So forget that ChatGPT did a lot of work for us. I also know what I want, okay? So these are the things you also consider when you are creating your own story, okay? Make sure you go through all the story, make sure you go through all the lines, okay? So you'll be able to create a very perfect story. Once you are done, you just tap on generate and it will start generating the video for you. Once your video is ready, you save it into your gallery and here it
Thank you all
is.
for coming. There has been an unfortunate incident.
What happened, sir?
That's just one scene from the full long video I want to create. So I'll just keep on repeating this process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the dialogue of another scene, go back to the app, select the image, paste it, yet paste the dialogue, edit it to my taste. Okay, then I'll generate the image. I'll keep on doing this for all these scenes till I'm done creating my videos. When I'm done, I'll go to ChatGPT, I'll join all the short clips together, I will edit it into a very beautiful long video. Guys, you don't have any watermark issue because this app does not even give you watermark issue. Okay, now once you are done generating your video, you save it into your phone. You can create a really long video using this app. So guys, do well to try it out because trust me, you're going to enjoy this app. You don't have any issue. You don't even have any credit issue. You don't have any watermark issue. So what are you waiting for?
The scholarship fund intended for our best student has been stolen. What way? Who would steal
We
scholarship
have
money?
come to the end of this video. I hope you're able to learn one or two from this video. Do well to try it out in your own way. If you have any questions, drop it for me in the comment section. I'll do it to answer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Thanks for watching to the end. I really appreciate your love so far on my previous video. If you've not watched my previous video, please do it to check on all my previous video. Trust me, guys, you're going to learn a lot. We don't get keep over here in this app. We are one big family. See you in my next video. I love you all. Toodles.